minutes and you're sober. I was driving all the way frantically.
Today we're heading to the shop. I got the Baja completely and utterly maxed out from absolute head to toe. This poor fucking truck. Bed is filled and the top rack as well has a TV that I found that someone threw out. Perfect for the shop. Don't gotta buy a TV. And it seems to work. Anyways, I'm just getting fuel now. We're at Wawa getting some food and whatnot. If you don't know what Wawa is, you're missing out. Wawa is pretty good. It's great for when you're traveling. So we're gonna hit the road. Should take about an hour to get there, and then we're gonna start setting up the shop, getting ready to go, because we are in business. We got our numbers, so let's go. Okay, we just got to the shop now. We had to take a pit stop. We stopped at Harbor Freight and picked up a bunch of supplies to mount the Discord shop TV, which you'll see a little bit later today, so keep an eye out for that. We're gonna be unloading and setting up the shop now. Probably gonna farm. So, you still can pick out the really cheap got it. Alright. Okay, Baja is completely unloaded except for this one thing that's in the back here. I gotta grab. Let's grab that. All right, we have all the tools out of the Baja and around the shop now. Now is the time where I gotta start setting up everything and then making this like a shop now, because if you look, I have everything out now from the welder, got all the tools scattered around. I've got to set up the bench still. I still gotta paint the bench. So I'll probably do is I'll start moving this stuff, get painting first so it has time to dry, and then that way I can start working on this and setting up this shit, putting it in the box and whatnot. So it's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna get cracking. Okay, we are working on shop at the moment. Tons of shit everywhere. There's so much little things to do. But right now we are working on the shop TV setup. This TV setup will be awesome. Right now we are pretty much mounted technically, but we're gonna keep fucking sending it with more hardware so that way this thing does not move. But we are anchoring the shit out of it in the concrete, and that way this will be a Discord TV and also a schematics TV, so that we can hook up to the little laptop and run schematics on the screen. So if we need to run any information on all data and whatnot, that way we can work on stuff and then have it project just all on the big TV right there. And it'll also be the Discord TV, so it'll be a nice little hangout thing. But yeah, it's actually coming along really fucking good. I was actually really scared about this actually working, but yeah, it's really good. Okay, so far we got the other light up, so we got much more light in here. We got the Discord TV up. Now this TV I found in the trash and it's not good, but it's gonna be like, it's like a test fitter TV. It actually technically works, it just sucks. I don't know if the backlight or whatever is broken or something on the power supply is broken, but it does not work very well. But it gives me an idea of what we're looking for in this spot, because this will be the Discord and the schematics TV. So that way, when I have everything up in the shop, I'm going to put a webcam up there, and I can have everyone chatting in here while we are working on stuff, and then I can put up schematics on the screen, and if I'm working on something and I need to look back in there, boom, it's on the screen right there, which is absolutely fantastic. So, this came out really, really wonderful. Oh. This went right into the concrete with actually supplied hardware that actually worked very, very good. I was actually very shocked how good the supplied hardware worked on that. And then, yeah, it's sturdy as shit. It's got full tilt and everything. It's fantastic. So I can angle this TV anywhere I want to face whatever in the shop, or I can have it flush flat against the wall, which is great. And it's right in the dead center, so nice and symmetrical, but also accessible for both bays, which is even better. So we're gonna get cracking on more. I'm gonna start painting this tabletop and cleaning it and whatnot, and then getting this all set up properly, putting up all the hangers like we got here, the shop towel dispenser. Always wanted one of these. Here, already got the Milwaukee charger up. Got the power strip, always wanted to have up, so you have power along there all the whole time. Got power strip on the end here, plenty of power, which is awesome. Small little mods here and there, like I have this light on a little hanger here so I can grab it off of there. Shit, there goes Abraham Lincoln. Well, I'll get him later. Alright, so we have the starting to putting anchors in so I can actually start hanging like hoses and whatnot. So I have like AC hoses and shit here. And they will get hung up and orderly. Stuff like that, welders, helmets, whatnot. It'll just be up, neat, and orderly. No bullshit. AC's working very good. We're almost done with the sink. The sink was hooked up. Last time I was here, I ran the hose, utility hose, hooked up to the back here. Technically, I could crack open the water, but I need to finish the hookup for the drain from there. So I just need to get one little attachment and bring it just to there, and we are Gucci for water. And this is good to go. So super excited about that. Got the Cherry Gojo ready. Love that shit. Very, very good. All coming along piece by piece. I'm very happy with the progress so far. So let's keep it up. Keep just grinding away.